Hey everyone, thanks for checking out another video. So Colton brought his Acura Integra into the shop for a tune today. It had some really good parts. It made some really good numbers today, so I thought I should make a video for you guys. Like usual, I've already done the full dyno tune. I captured some shots of the dyno pulls. I'm gonna go through the full details of this build, then I'll share the shots of the dyno pulls, and then I will share the final results at the end. All right guys, so like I said, Acura Integra in the shop for a tune today. This is a 1995 Acura Integra. The owner has swapped on a JDM front end. These JDM front ends really changed the car. They look great. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the bumper today because it would not have been able to get on the dyno with the bumper on it, unfortunately, but the car still looks fantastic. The owner has done a ton of work restoring this car, full paint job. He's done some really good upgrades. It's got full suspension, wheels, brakes, but the reason it's here is for a dyno tune, and he has done a JDM K24 engine swap. Along with the JDM engine swap, he has basically done everything you can do to it. It is full bolt-on. I'm gonna start at the intake side of things. It has a 3.5-inch cold air intake to a K-tuned 80mm throttle body. It has an RBC that has been port matched to the throttle body. It's running Injector Dynamics ID 1050 injectors. It has the K-tuned fuel system. This engine is a K24 head and block. He has done a set of drag Cartel drop-in cams, as well as a 50-degree VTC Cam Gewar and an RSX Type S oil pump. On the exhaust side of things, he's done a K-tuned big tube header and a K-tuned 3-inch exhaust. I tuned this car on Hondata Kpro today. It's running pump gas, 94 octane pump gas. I think that's about it for the engine mods. I'm a big fan of this car. I love the wheels. Volk TE37s in mag blue. These are 15x8 plus 35 with 205 50/15 tires. I don't know, this car really does it for me. It's super clean, super nice, and it made some amazing power today. So why don't we cut to the shots of the dyno pulls, and then I'll share the final results. All right guys, hopefully you enjoyed those dyno pulls. This car put down some really good numbers today. It is currently the middle of November though. It is only 60 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 degrees Celsius in the shop today. It is actually 0 degrees outside or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. It's kind of cheating. These temperatures will always produce some really good numbers. Either way, this car would have made some great numbers, but the super cold weather helped it today. Up on the screen, I have the dyno graphs from today, and this thing put down 259 wheel horsepower, 211 foot-pounds torque. We revved this car out to 8,000 RPM, even though the dyno shows like 75. It's because the way the dyno calculates RPM on the roll. So 8,000 RPM red line. VTEC is engaged at 4,400 on this setup. These are drag Cartel drop-in cams. Down low, I've been running 30 degrees VTC. When VTEC engages, we run 40 degrees VTC, and then by red line, I've tapered it to about 20 degrees VTC. So I know you guys always ask what I run for VTC. I don't mind sharing it. But yeah, really good numbers today. It is cheating because it is pretty cold. This car wouldn't have made that much power in the middle of summer, but it still would have made some really good numbers. I know the owner is gonna be super happy once he gets a chance to drive it and see what it's like, because this car had a B series in it before, so he's gone from a B series to probably put down 180 horsepower to this, which is gonna feel like twice as fast. So anyways, I think that's about it for this video, guys. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you liked the video, do me a favor, hit that like button. If you haven't already, consider subscribing, and I will continue to keep making these videos for you guys. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye now.